Hi everybody, it's Mirav, and today I'm going to teach you how to configure a iJoomla ad agency. So what we want to do is we want to publish the two modules that come with the iJoomla ad agency to start with. So let's go to our modules and find the ad agency modules and publish them. Let's just get rid of all these filters so that we can see everything. And I'm going to enter on the filter now the word agency. And it will show me the two modules I'm interested in. The remote module I'm not interested in right now. This is actually for installing on other sites and not on this site. And it's for showing ads from your site on different sites. I'm going to enable Add Agency menu and Add Agency zone. But let's give it a different name as well. Let's open the Add Agency menu first. What it does, it's a menu for advertisers. So it will have all the links that advertisers should see, including packages and my profile and orders and stuff like that. So let's just call it advertisers menu. And we're going to put it on the left side. You can decide where, on which pages you want to put it. We're just going to put it on all for now. Let's save it. And the other thing we want to publish is the zone. The zone is where your ads will show. So let's leave the name as it is, but let's hide the title because your customers or your visitors don't need to see the title. I mean, if you want, you can give it a name like sponsors or advertisement or whatever, but I choose to not show the title. And again, I'm going to put it on the left, but you can put it everywhere you want, depending on your template. If it's on the left, so it has to be the edge that you're going to approve to that zone has to be in the right size and stuff like that. Alright, so now that we have them both published and on the right place, let's take a look at the front end. Now currently there is no left position available here, as you can see. But here it is now. Advertisers menu, and this is our currently empty zone module, but there's no ads right now, so that's why it's showing as empty. And this menu shows the only two items that are available right now for advertisers. For example, one of them is advertised on this site, and when advertisers click on it, they get a registration form that they can fill out, and then you get an email telling you that this advertiser signed up, and you can approve them or disapprove them. It's up to you. But the cool thing about it, look at how beautiful it looks. It's because it's using your template settings, your templates cascading style sheets and classes, and that's why it looks very much like a part of your site and not something that is weird or anything like that. And because we installed the payment plugin of PayPal, it's showing here as an option. But whatever payment plugins you're going to install, it's going to show here as an option. Another thing that is available right away is the list of packages. Now, I didn't add any packages yet. So, no, actually I did. Here it is. I did add some packages before, so here are the packages that I can already buy. But what happens when people actually try to buy it? Now, if you didn't add a list of packages before, it's just going to show no packages available or something like that. Now, let's see that I want to add a package. I want to buy a package. I'm going to click here. And it's taking me back to the advertiser registration, because if I'm not an advertiser, I can't just buy a package. This prevents all kinds of weird situations when people buy advertisements for you and then you find out that they actually sell stuff like porn or casinos or whatever, and you don't want them to advertise on your site. So this gives you total control over who can advertise on your site. That's why it's done that way. Another thing you must add on this site is the login form. because if you already have advertisers, you want them to be able to log in to see the rest of the modules, the rest of the menu items that will be listed here. There's like 5 more, but they won't be able to do it unless you give them an option to log in. So let's add a login module. Let's see first of all if it already exists here. If not, we're going to create a new module. Okay, here it is. It's already there. Let's publish it. It's going to be on the left position, and let's look at it on the front end. We're going to refresh the page. And here it is, our login form is here, and the advertisers will use the same exact login form as everybody else. So you can just use the same one that you would use for anything else. So right now, the advertiser, let's say the potential advertiser, will have to fill out this form. They will get an email telling them that they have to activate their account. They will activate their account to make sure that the email is correct. And then you will have to activate them as advertisers, because it's not enough that they activate their account. You have to make sure that this is somebody you want to advertise on your site. So this is it for the basic configuration of iJoomla Ad Agency. Thanks for watching.